In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix A50 headset not connecting to base connection. First things first, you want to simply reset your base connection by completely unplugging it from your device and from a power outlet. And from there, the only thing that you can go ahead and do to fix this problem, even though you've tried resetting or soft resetting the headset, updating the drivers and more, is to simply hard reset it completely. Now the question is, how can you do that? Now basically it's really simple. Now if you go ahead and take a look at the side of your headset, you will be able to see this game button right here. You want to simply press on this button for around 25 seconds simultaneously while pressing the Dolby surround sound button at the side of that corner. So it's going to be the game button, and on this corner you will be able to find this specific button. You want to hold it simultaneously for around 25 seconds. A light will flash, and from there you will be able to simply connect the headset back again to the base station. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.